If you're watching this video right now, know that it's not by chance. The universe has brought you here because you are about to step into your winning season. This moment is significant, and it's a clear sign that the tides are turning in your favor. As a chosen one, you are set apart, guided by forces beyond what many can comprehend. Your journey has been filled with challenges, growth, and lessons, but all of that has been leading you to this very moment, your season of victory. In our daily lives, we encounter a myriad of situations, people, and experiences that seem ordinary on the surface. But for the chosen ones, these are not mere coincidences. Every interaction, every obstacle, every triumph is a piece of the puzzle that forms the grand picture of your destiny. You may have noticed how certain things just align perfectly, or how you're drawn to particular signs and symbols. This is no accident. It's the universe's way of guiding you, preparing you for what's next. Before we dive deeper into this exciting new chapter of your life, I encourage you to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment with 77T to send a signal to the universe. This number is powerful, and by engaging with it, you're aligning yourself with the energy of this message. You can also play this video on repeat, even in the background, to let the energy of this message resonate within your space and align you further with your upcoming victories. Now let's explore what it means to enter your winning season and how you can embrace this transformative period in your life. As a chosen one, your connection to the universe is profound. You're not just aware of the physical world, you're deeply in tune with the energies that flow through it, guiding and shaping your life. When something significant is about to happen, you can sense it in ways that others might overlook. This heightened awareness is one of the many gifts that set you apart, and is the first indication that you're about to enter your winning season. The shift in energy can manifest in many subtle ways. Perhaps you've been feeling a growing sense of anticipation, knowing that something is on the horizon even if you can't quite define it yet. It's like the calm before a storm. Not a storm of destruction, but one of transformation. You might notice small but meaningful changes around you, like opportunities that seem to appear out of nowhere, or obstacles that once seemed insurmountable beginning to clear away. These are not coincidences. They are the universe's way of aligning everything in your life to prepare you for what's coming. Take a moment to reflect on your recent experiences. Have you felt more clarity and purpose, as if your path is becoming more defined? Maybe you've encountered people or situations that seem to point you in a specific direction, offering insights or connections that are too perfect to be random. These are the universe's whispers, gently nudging you towards your destiny. As a chosen one, you're not just a passive observer of these changes. You're an active participant in the dance of energy that is guiding you towards your winning season. As the energy around you begins to shift, one of the most significant signs that you're entering your winning season is the unveiling of new opportunities. These opportunities may come in various forms: career advancements, creative projects, personal growth, or even new relationships. But they all share one common thread. They are perfectly aligned with your true purpose and are designed to elevate you to the next level. Think about the doors that have recently started to open for you. Have you noticed chances to step into roles or situations that previously seemed out of reach? Perhaps you've encountered people eager to support your vision or been presented with resources that can help you achieve your goals. These are not mere coincidences. They are the universe's way of laying the groundwork for your success. In your winning season, opportunities will often come disguised as challenges. You may find yourself facing decisions that require you to step out of your comfort zone or to take risks that you would have previously avoided. But understand this: the universe doesn't place these opportunities in your path to test you. They are there to stretch you, to help you grow, and to prepare you for the abundance that is on the way. It's important to recognize these opportunities for what they are: a divine invitation to step into your greatness. The universe has heard your desires and is now responding by placing the tools and circumstances you need right in front of you. As you begin to embrace the opportunities unfolding in your life, you'll notice a powerful shift in momentum. This is the essence of your winning season. Once you start moving in alignment with the universe, things begin to accelerate. and you find yourself riding a wave of positive energy that propels you forward. Momentum is crucial to any successful journey. It's the force that turns small victories into significant achievements and minor breakthroughs into life-changing transformations. Reflect on the progress you've made so far. Have you noticed that once you take that first step, the next one becomes easier? This is the power of momentum in action. It's as if the universe is rewarding your courage and commitment by smoothing the path ahead, making it easier for you to keep moving forward. Each step you take builds on the last, creating a chain reaction of success that leads you closer to your ultimate goals. Momentum isn't just about forward motion, it's also about maintaining balance. In your winning season, it's essential to stay grounded and centered even as things start to speed up. The excitement of new opportunities and the thrill of seeing your dreams come to life can sometimes lead to burnout if you're not careful. This is why it's important to pace yourself, take time for self-care, and ensure that you nurture your mind, body, and spirit along the way. As you continue to move forward in your winning season, one of the most important shifts you must make is in your mindset. The abundance mindset is the belief that there is more than enough for everyone, including you. It's the understanding that the universe is infinitely generous and that you are deserving of all the blessings, opportunities, and successes that come your way. Embracing the abundance mindset is crucial. It's easy to fall into the trap of scarcity thinking, where you start to worry that your success might be fleeting or that you need to hold on to what you have out of fear of losing it. But this kind of thinking only creates resistance and blocks the flow of abundance into your life. Reflect on your relationship with abundance. Have you been open to receiving the gifts of the universe, or have you been limiting yourself through doubt, fear, or a lack of self-worth? The abundance mindset requires you to let go of these limitations and fully embrace the idea that you are worthy of all the good things coming your way. This mindset isn't just about material wealth. It's about abundance in all areas of your life: love, health, joy, opportunities, and spiritual growth. When you adopt the abundance mindset, you begin to see the world through a lens of possibility, appreciating what you have and expecting even more to come your way. As you continue to embrace your winning season, you may find that the universe presents you with final hurdles, challenges that seem to test your resolve just as you are on the cusp of your breakthrough. These hurdles are not meant to deter you, but to solidify your growth and ensure that you are fully prepared to step into the next level of your journey. Consider the obstacles you've faced in the past. How many times did you encounter difficulties just as you were about to achieve something significant? These moments often feel like setbacks, but in reality, they are opportunities for you to demonstrate your commitment to your path. The universe is not trying to hold you back. Rather, it's giving you a chance to refine your approach, learn from your experiences, and prove that you are ready for the success that awaits you. Overcoming these hurdles requires a combination of patience, persistence, and faith. Patience is needed to understand that even when things don't happen on your timeline, they are still unfolding in perfect divine timing. Persistence is necessary to keep moving forward, even when the path seems difficult or unclear. Faith is essential to trust that the universe has your best interests at heart, and that these challenges are simply part of the process. Trusting the process is a vital aspect of navigating your winning season. The journey you're on is guided by forces greater than you, and understanding that everything is unfolding according to a divine plan can bring comfort and clarity. There will be moments when the path seems uncertain, or when the results you desire appear to be out of reach. In these times, it's crucial to hold on to your faith in the process. Trusting the process means believing that each step you take, each decision you make, and each challenge you face is all contributing to the greater picture of your success. The universe is orchestrating events to align with your highest good, even if you can't always see the full picture. Embrace the journey with an open heart, knowing that every experience is shaping you for the better. It's also important to remember that trust is an active practice. It involves letting go of the need for control and allowing things to unfold naturally. By doing so, you create space for miracles and unexpected blessings to manifest in your life. Stay committed to your goals, maintain your positive mindset, and trust that the universe is working behind the scenes to bring your dreams to fruition. Patience is a powerful virtue, especially as you navigate your winning season. While it's natural to want immediate results, true success often requires time and perseverance. Cultivating patience allows you to remain calm and focused as you work towards your goals, knowing that everything is unfolding in its own time. Think about the journey you've been on. Have there been moments when you felt frustrated by the pace of your progress? Patience helps you to embrace the process rather than resist it. It's about finding peace in the waiting, trusting that each moment is preparing you for something greater. By cultivating patience, you also develop resilience and strength, qualities that are essential for sustaining long-term success. Remember, the universe's timing is always perfect. What may seem like a delay or setback is often a preparation for something much bigger and better. Stay committed to your vision, keep your faith strong, and practice patience as you continue to move towards your winning season. Your perseverance will be rewarded, and the results will be worth the wait. Change is an inherent part of your winning season. As you evolve and grow, you may find that your surroundings, relationships, or even your own beliefs begin to shift. Embracing change with an open mind and heart allows you to adapt and thrive in the new environment that is emerging for you. Change can be both exciting and challenging. It often brings new opportunities and experiences that can enhance your life, but it can also require you to step out of your comfort zone and face the unknown. Embracing change means being willing to let go of old patterns and beliefs that no longer serve you, making room for new growth and possibilities. Reflect on the changes you've experienced recently. How have they impacted your life? Are there areas where you feel resistance or fear? By acknowledging and embracing these changes, you allow yourself to flow with the evolving energy of your winning season. Trust that the changes you're experiencing are guiding you towards a higher level of fulfillment and success. In your winning season, connecting with your higher self becomes increasingly important. Your higher self represents the highest version of yourself, the part of you that is in tune with your true purpose and aligned with the universe's guidance. By deepening this connection, you gain clarity, wisdom, and direction for your journey. Take time to meditate, reflect, and listen to your inner voice. Your higher self often communicates through intuition, dreams, and subtle signs. By creating space for this connection, you open yourself up to receiving guidance and insights that can help you navigate your path with greater ease and confidence. Connecting with your higher self also involves aligning your actions with your values and desires. It's about living authentically and making choices that resonate with your true self. This alignment brings a sense of fulfillment and purpose, enhancing your ability to manifest your goals and achieve success in your winning season. As you progress through your winning season, it's essential to celebrate your successes, both big and small. Celebrating your achievements acknowledges your hard work, boosts your confidence, and reinforces the positive momentum that propels you forward. Take time to reflect on your accomplishments and honor them. Whether it's a significant milestone or a small victory, each success is a testament to your dedication and growth. Celebrating these moments not only provides a sense of accomplishment, but also serves as a reminder of your capabilities and potential. Remember, celebrating your successes also helps to maintain a positive mindset. It's easy to focus on what's still to be done, but acknowledging and appreciating what you've already achieved keeps you motivated and inspired. Share your successes with others who support and uplift you, and use these celebrations as fuel to continue striving towards your goals. As you enter your winning season, nurturing your relationships becomes increasingly important. Surrounding yourself with supportive and positive individuals enhances your journey and provides the encouragement you need to stay focused and motivated. Reflect on the relationships in your life. Are there people who uplift and inspire you? Are there connections that drain your energy or hold you back? Nurturing positive relationships involves fostering connections with those who align with your values and goals, while also setting boundaries with those who do not. Building and maintaining strong relationships also involves giving back. Offer support and encouragement to those around you, and share your journey with them. By nurturing these connections, you create a network of support that contributes to your overall success and well-being. Staying grounded is essential as you navigate your winning season. Amidst the excitement and changes, it's important to remain connected to your core values and sense of self. Grounding practices help you stay focused, balanced, and centered, even as you experience success and transformation. Consider incorporating grounding techniques into your daily routine. This could include activities such as meditation, journaling, spending time in nature, or engaging in creative pursuits. These practices help you maintain clarity and perspective, ensuring that you remain aligned with your true purpose. Staying grounded also involves being mindful of your thoughts and emotions. Pay attention to how you respond to challenges and successes, and practice self-awareness to keep yourself centered. By staying grounded, you can navigate your winning season with a sense of stability and inner peace. As you achieve success in your winning season, it's important to set new goals that continue to challenge and inspire you. Setting goals helps you maintain focus, measure progress, and stay motivated as you pursue your next level of achievement. Reflect on your recent accomplishments and consider what you want to achieve next. What are your new aspirations and dreams? Setting goals involves envisioning your future, creating a plan of action, and taking steps towards your desired outcomes. Remember to set goals that are both challenging and attainable. Break them down into smaller, manageable steps and celebrate your progress along the way. Setting new goals ensures that you continue to grow, evolve, and strive towards greater success in your winning season. As you experience success and abundance, consider the importance of giving back. Sharing your blessings and supporting others not only enhances your own sense of fulfillment, but also contributes to the greater good. Giving back can take many forms, from offering mentorship and support to contributing to causes you believe in. Reflect on how you can use your success to make a positive impact in the lives of others. Whether it's through volunteer work, charitable donations, or simply offering encouragement to those in need, giving back enriches your journey and creates a ripple effect of positivity and generosity. By giving back, you also align with the universal principle of reciprocity. The more you contribute to the well-being of others, the more you invite abundance and positive energy into your own life. Embrace the opportunity to make a difference and create a legacy of kindness and generosity. As you move forward in your winning season, consider the legacy you want to leave behind. Your journey is not just about personal success. It's also about the impact you have on others and the mark you make on the world. Embracing your legacy involves reflecting on the values, achievements, and contributions that define your life. Think about the qualities you want to be remembered for and the ways in which you want to influence others. What message do you want to leave behind? By living with intention and purpose, you create a legacy that reflects your true self and inspires future generations. Embracing your legacy also involves celebrating your journey and acknowledging the milestones that have brought you to this point. Reflect on your achievements, the challenges you've overcome, and the lessons you've learned. By honoring your legacy, you continue to inspire and uplift others as you step into the next chapter of your life. As we wrap up this exploration of your winning season, remember that you are on a path of incredible transformation and success. Your journey as a chosen one is guided by divine forces, and every step you take brings you closer to your ultimate goals. Embrace the signs, celebrate your victories, and continue to move forward with faith and confidence. Thank you for joining me in this exploration. If this message resonates with you, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment with 77T to affirm your connection with this powerful message. Keep this video playing in the background to align yourself with its energy and stay motivated as you step into your winning season. Remember, the universe is on your side and your journey is only just beginning.